I'm going to show you exactly how to use your Google Pay balance when shopping on Amazon. If you've been wondering how to connect the two, stick around because I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. First, open up your Amazon app. You can also do this on your computer, but using the app is usually quicker and easier. Once you're inside, go ahead and browse for any product you'd like to purchase. For this example, I'll just pick an item and tap on Add to Basket. Now, head over to your basket where you'll see all the items you've selected. Once you're ready, tap on Proceed to Checkout. That will bring you to the page where you need to confirm your delivery details and, most importantly, your payment method. Here's the key part. Amazon doesn't directly let you pay with Google Pay balance. But what you can do is link the same card that's connected to your Google Pay account. So, on the payment page, tap on Add a Payment Method, and then choose Add a Debit or Credit Card. When that page opens, simply enter the details of the exact same card you've already connected with Google Pay. This way, even though Amazon doesn't show a Google Pay option, your purchases will still be charged to the card that's tied to your Google Pay balance. Essentially, it's like paying through Google Pay indirectly. Once you've added that card, just select it as your payment method, confirm your order, and that's it. You've now managed to use your Google Pay balance for an Amazon purchase. And that's how simple it is. Instead of paying extra fees on Google Pay or banks, try Wise. It's the smarter way to move your money. You'll get lower fees, real exchange rates, and even free debit cards you can use on Amazon or anywhere else. Use the link in the description to grab your free account and get your first transfer up to $800 with zero fees.